Namaskar.
Namaskar.
My name is Jyotirmay and I'd like to invite you today to the online meditation. My family and I, we are living at the border of Graz in Austria. My father-in-law, Punikole. My sister-in-law, Aba. My wife, Parvati. Our nephew, Lilamaya, and our daughter, Janaki. And our animals, you can see Millie and Dot, and two cats, and a dog, and birds, and a hamster. Parvati and I were doing meditation for more than 25 years now, and our daughter joined us when she was 5. And some of the benefits of meditation can be:
meditation is relaxing
and inspiring,
Connects your soul, body and mind, and develops your intuition.
Meditația te face să te relaxezi și să te liniștești.
my discrimination power increased so that I know better what is right and wrong. My willpower increased, and every day I fall in love in a new way with my environment. The meditation will take place from 15th of October 2020 at 6 o'clock in the evening and will last for 1 hour and 15 minutes. There will be a small introduction and getting to know each other. Then we will sing a spiritual song and a universal mantra, Baba Nam Kevalam. Then we will meditate together and give some information for meditation, the philosophy and the lifestyle behind, and talk to each other and enjoy. For going into the meditation, you go on the link that you see below in the information. You click on that, you give your name, your email address or your phone number, and you will receive a link for Zoom. How to use Zoom you can see in another video that is there when you click on the small eye, and then you will join this online platform and you can meditate with us. I am looking very much forward to meeting you there. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.